You got the love that I want, the love that I need. It's Butta!
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now.
Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another one. I am coming through with not one, but two Balayage units. We have Balayage unit 20 and 21. 20 and 21. So what I kind of wanted to do was go on through and just give you guys some synthetic wigs. And I did not, my camera got all jacked up. I couldn't get it back. I got defeated. That's my truth. But I'm back. I'm back and I'm sorry. And that's why I'm coming through with the synthetic wigs I was going to do. Okay? So, let's get into these units. Both under $40. So, both these units are under $40. They are both a part of the Sensationnel Butta Lace. What Lace? From the makers of What Lace, okay? Butta unit. This is number 20 and I have 21. So, this unit I have in 1B. We'll start with number 20. And then we'll just have us a good old grand time. You picking up what I'm putting down. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of just going to run on through them. Give you guys my feelings. And then, yeah. Okay, so let's dig on into Butta Lace unit number 20. Again, both these units are going for just under $40. Okay, that's a big damn deal. I really do love this collection. Now, Sensationnel and I are reintroducing ourselves to one another. I say that at least once a year. At least once a year. And I'm excited to be embarking on this journey with the Butta Lace units because the real tea that actually love this collection. Like, love. It really is some of the best synthetic units out. So, let me just go on ahead and give you guys a look at the cap, okay? So, here's the stock card. This is Butta Unit 20. All right. She comes in several different colors, which we love. She is a pre-plucked HD lace. I'm already feeling this. Like, already. I don't have on any earrings, though, which I'm going to have to throw them on because I think it needs the full respect. So, this is the cap. She does already have little lace baby hairs here. Okay, which we love. She is a lace part, which I also really love. Okay, she has two combs on the sides, one in the back, adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. Okay, so let's dig on into her. I'm gonna chop the lace and color her up a bit because I can already tell she's looking a little white. A little white. I don't even know why I'm like this. One guy, I just saw this meme, and it's oh my god, what is her name? She's on the Ricky Smiley show, and she is one of the women who were part of the show, the Little Women. What the hell is her name? And she's singing, and she like, my body is my body. I literally just posted this on my story, and this is funny because anybody who know me, including my husband, I say to my husband all the time, he hates it. He really hated it because I really cannot sing. But I really do be singing all in his ear all the time. So, shout out to him. Shout out to Saint Sin, who always complete my lines when I be singing. That's my girl. So, I'm just going to chop this lace off, throw this on, and I'll be back on the other side.
Kiona
around, okay? Let me see. Turn around so you guys can see. And no, I don't feel like getting up. But can you see my lace? Can you see my tracks in the back? Can you see my tracks in the back? This unit is so damn worth it. You got the love that I want, the love that I need. Ah! It's better. It's better. Y'all, do y'all see this? No, be dead ass. Be dead ass. Be dead ass. Do y'all see this? The texture of this hair. When I hear about hair companies, especially syntheticals, talking about, oh, this a human hair blend. Is this even a human hair blend? It says premium fibers. It's too good. It's too good. It's too good. It's too many teching good. On God, this is my style. I literally went through an entire year of only wearing my hair like this. Sensationnel had a unit, and Sensationnel, if you're watching this, please God bring back this unit. Or put it, like, do another iteration of Inna. Inna back in the day, no BS, was a part of the Instant Fashion Wig collection. It was $14.99. Bust back and watch my video. I got a video on Inna. Disgusting. Absolute disgust. She is everything. I don't even want to go to the next one. But we must. We must do it. Okay? I'm obsessed. Really, straight up, tell me how y'all feel about this. Because I feel like we did not have to do anything. Is this what y'all are looking for? Are y'all looking for wigs under $40 already styled, pre-plucked, got the baby hairs popping? I'm inspired. Yo, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Okay. I don't even want to take this off. I hate when that happens. I don't even want to take this off. All right, but we got to get into the next one. Cap, beautifully done. Beautifully done. What they did this time around is they made a wider parting space. And to me, nasty. Nasty. Okay. She is absolutely stunning. I'm so glad we're really kind of rushing out the gate here. I'm going to take some pictures and then we're going to come back with it. Okay. So I'm back with the second unit. This is Butta Lace. What Lace Butta Unit Belly and Balayage Mocha is the color. Okay, and this is number 21. So we're going in numerical order. She does also have that wider part. All right. So all the same specs of number 20. Let me take out our salt and pepper pack. It is not salt and pepper. Do not eat this. This is a joke. That was a joke. Okay, what kind of pepper? And then this is the unit. So we got her in Balayage Mocha. I'm actually really excited about this one. Okay. I don't want to shift this wig. I don't want to do, I'm obsessed with this. Like, I don't even want to take it off, Jay. We are obsessed. Look at this hair color. This is Balayage Mocha, okay? And she's giving all of that. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna just sit this right here. Oh, my boobs are so big, Lord Jesus. I'm gonna sit this right here. Are y'all picking that up? Are y'all picking that up? I'm not even gonna move. Are you picking it up? Let me tell you something. Both of these units are very lightweight, which I absolutely love because sometimes it feels like, sometimes when you're putting on like synthetic units that it's like it's bogging your head down or something like that. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have experienced that because I kind of have. I'm obsessed. She's so lightweight. This one doesn't tangle. Number 20 did tangle a bit, but I do not care because she is absolutely positively chef's kiss, okay? They are giving, I cannot believe it's not butter, okay? I'm ready to get all the high cholesterol, hypertension, diabetes, all the things for this. More butter, more butter, more butter. So the unit is, to me, I don't know that I would say this is hugely big head friendly. I have a relatively small head. I'm a thickums. So because I'm a little thick, my head is a little thick too. You picking up what I put there. So maybe I used to be small head. Now I got a medium size head. Cause I'm starting to feel these units getting a little, they're getting a little snugger to Doug, okay? So, yeah, I don't know that I would say that this is hugely big head friendly, especially once it gets to, like, up here. However, I would try it out. I would try it out. She's 35. They're both under $40. I would try it out. Okay? So, like, I think that this unit is really, really beautiful. Again, neither one of these shed, like, at all, like, a lot. The number 20, she did tangle a bit, but she's a much curlier body wave unit, where this is a loose wave, almost like a beachy vibe. We love them both. I'm going to Atlanta for Thanksgiving, and it's funny because usually when I travel, I pack human hair wigs. I don't know why. I just prefer to travel with human hair wigs, but I was about to curl this one up. Look, y'all. I was ready. I was going to curl her up, okay? This is a human hair wig. Get her curled, tighten her up, and then store her, pack her. You know what I mean? Properly. Make sure. I think I'm gonna opt out of that. I think I'm gonna just take these. That's really new. That's how much I love it. Cause honestly, I almost never travel with synthetic wigs. I'm not even gonna say like, it's just a thing. Like, I like to be able to curl my hair up and everything a certain way. Like, I'm real particular about how I look when I go out. And she's giving me exactly the look that I want. I'm going to turn around. You guys let me know if you can see my tracks in the back for this one. Yeah, I can feel it a little bit, but it could just be the way. What about Neil? Is that better? Let me know if that's better. Did that make a difference? I think it's just the way I pull my hair to the front, actually. I experience that often, I feel like. The point I'm trying to make is, do your Googles. Black Google link. I'm going to leave my Amazon link for everything that I use, which is really nothing but my Andy straightener, which is a godsend. And if you have not purchased this yet, what are you doing? That's all you need. Okay, do me a favor. Bust down. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for joining me, Intisar, Eleanor, again for some synthetical units. Can you believe we did it? I can. Let me know which one you like the best. I need to know. I need to know which one you like the best. They're both very similar. Very, 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 very similar. But I'm going to go with unit number 20 myself. But that's only because that's my OG look. But this one, I don't even know. The color on this is really vibrant too. It's too good. It's too good. Check out the Balayage collection, okay? And I'll see you guys on the other side. Happy holidays!